He just scared the f*** out of me.
Stand up.
On December 5th, 2024, an officer with the St. Petersburg Police Department pulled over a vehicle for active warrant, but nothing would have prepared the officer a few seconds earlier for what happened next.
How you doing, ma'am?
Hi.
You have your license and registration on you?
Did I do something wrong?
So when I ran your tag, it's showing you have a warrant. I just want to confirm whether or not that's true.
Sorry?
It's showing you have a warrant.
Who has one?
You, if you're the registered owner.
No.
You're not the registered owner?
No.
Okay, do you have your ID on you? Damn!
Shut!
Come for help!
Shut! Shut! I didn't do anything. I didn't do shit. My car is rolling.
Get on here.
I didn't do anything. What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for? I'm so scared, please. I thought you were gonna hurt me.
You good?
Yes, sir. Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? Please tell me. I feel scared. You're harassing me. I dropped my car off here to get to the brake shop.
Attempting to flee, the ran over the officer, although he managed to pull the suspect out of car and put her in cuff. But this left the cop with non-life-threatening injury but fractured bone.
Can you grab my phone right there, please, and tell my husband to come get me? Who do you have a warrant for?
Man,
Good.
I walk up and I see him about to pass out.
Good. Ma'am.
Sit down! Is this your phone?
I can't tell if it's my phone or hers. No, I think that's her phone.
It's gonna be hers.
Yeah. She ran me over.
She ran you over?
Yeah, I tried to get into the door and she backed out. Ran me over.
What leg?
Right leg, and I slammed my f***ing head on the concrete. I'm dizzy as shit right now.
Alright, just relax, buddy.
I got you.
Here it is, coming to reference 143A. We have rescue 1018 prep.
While the arresting officer groaned in pain, a not-Goodfellow officer checked on him.
Alright, don't move. You're good.
Both were over for warrant. When I got up, I recognized it was her. She ripped in reverse, backed up and turned the wheel, ran me over, and then took off, and I got her right here.
Is everybody in custody?
Yeah, she's in the car. She's the only one in the car.
Anybody else?
No, the car was empty. It just back. She lifted in reverse after she got out of the car. Ended up all the way over there.
So back here?
Yeah, so no, I pulled her in. She pulled into right here.
Meanwhile, the suspect identified as 24-year-old Shelby, a name well known in Pinellas County records, found herself in more difficult situation.
Right here, 2 fingers right here, and
Oh, wait, I need to turn my phone.
and then I'm just saying, then two fingers going here, right here. So just make sure it's documented. Cuffs were not tied on you, clearly. Okay.
I'm actually going to be taking the handcuffs and putting them in front.
All right, that's cool. Thank you. I
So it's
appreciate
going to be a lot more comfortable.
I don't see any more cuts. I know you said you were bleeding earlier, because I don't see any more cuts, bleeding, or anything else.
Yeah, they're all internal bleeding.
Oh, internal. Okay. Because you said you were bleeding all over my back seat.
This is the one that really, really hurt me more.
You know what I'm saying? You said you were bleeding all over the black seat. That's
I
why,
say
but I don't
thank you
see
again. I
any.
appreciate you.
No problem, man. Absolutely. Glad we were able to help you, man. Are you good with me for now?
Okay, I'm going to read you this form. It's called a notice of seizure, okay? It's made out to you, Miss Grimsley, in reference to case 2024-042614. This is to advise you that on the 5th day of December, which is today, 2024, the St. Petersburg Police Department is seizing the above referenced property for a violation of the Florida Contraband Forfeiture Act. You are hereby notified that you are entitled by law enforcement to request an adversarial preliminary hearing to determine whether there is probable cause to believe the property was used in violation of this act. The seizing agency will notify you of the time, date, and place of the hearing. Alright? I've selected that I provide you a copy of the notice in person because here I am. I'm going to provide you a
What are
copy.
my charges, if you don't mind?
There's a list of them. I'll have the other officer tell you, but to...
Before I sign that, I would like to see them, please.
That's fine. You can sign if you want. If you don't, it doesn't matter either way. Okay.
I just want to know my charges.
Can you get Jundy?
Johnny.
And honestly, yeah, like, it just, everything happened so quick. Like, he pulled me out of the car and said I had a warrant, but I didn't get the time to, like, explain anything. I just kind of panicked. The car was still rolling, and we both got ran over. So.
Following reading her the notice of seizure, the suspect reflect back at on the scene, claiming she had no idea what she did wrong.
Ma'am, we have aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. The deadly weapon is considered the vehicle that you utilize to run the officer over. Okay? This is a battery.
Okay, but the car was running. I mean, it was rolling by itself backwards.
I'm not here to...
Okay.
This is all court stuff.
Okay,
Yeah, you can explain all that to the judge, it's the attorney, your attorney, whoever the case might be. You ask the question, I'm just telling. Then you have resisting with violence. Okay? When you're resisting the arrest and you punch the officer at the same time, this is violence.
Punch?
When you were fighting him.
You're fighting.
Or turning away, you're saying?
Well, you're on top of him and you were hitting him.
I wasn't hitting him.
Anyway,
Okay. All right.
And then you have a battery.
He's telling you.
And then you have a battery on law enforcement officer. When he's striking him on the chest area and stuff, this is that consists of battery. It's illegal touching or striking another person. This is a battery. The situation, you battered an officer. Okay? So you have the resisting, the aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, and then I have the two more. Let me go, just make sure. Yeah, for you.
And what are the
Yeah, battery and law enforcement.
That's all something that you
battery
have to
law
find
enforcement,
out.
the
What do you
resisting, an aggravated battery, and the warrant, which is 4 of them. You have the warrant, so there's 4 charges.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Shelby's case is still unfolding, but her rap sheet tells a deeper story. A 6-year trail of charges: prostitution, criminal mischief, repeat domestic violence, DUI, drug possession, and petty theft, each with its own outcome.
All right. Yeah, we don't have any control over the bond, so we can't tell you. We don't know. Okay. That's all jail stuff.
And I did notify, I know you work, I did call your husband again, Sean, and I just hung up with him and did notify him and let him know that you got your cell phones and your...
My garage opener is in the vehicle. There's
Okay,
personal property.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you want to sign this?
No.
Okay. All right.